Poor facility layouts lead to problems such as overproduction, wasted motion, and delays. Drawing from Toyota's manufacturing principles, systemic issues hold a larger importance over symptoms, like misplaced equipment or overly large lot sizes. The process begins with diagnosing the problem using such tools like PQR, which stands for Product Quality Routing Analysis, and value stream mapping to identify problems with workflow. It is stressed to avoid outdated practices such as grouping similar machines into departments, as this often leads to bottlenecks. Bottlenecks refers to the points in the production process where the flow of materials, products, and operations are halted due to inefficiencies. Instead, it encourages brainstorming multiple flow alternatives using methods like the AEIOU matrix and the PUGH matrix to test potential layouts. Once an optimal layout is selected, a detailed action plan is critical to implement. This includes specific machine placements, utility setups, and a step-by-step sequence to ensure a smooth transition. The article concludes by demonstrating the financial benefits of improved layouts, such as significant labor savings and increased productivity, while advocating for continuous discipline in maintaining and adapting layouts for future needs. This information highlights how process selection and facility layout are critical to reducing waste and improving efficiency. It emphasizes identifying value streams, mapping workflows, and optimizing equipment placement to minimize transportation, motion, and overproduction. The article outlines a structured approach to identifying inefficiencies, developing alternative layouts, and testing designs to improve material flow, reduce non-value added activities, and enhance productivity. This aligns with principles that I have learned by showing how strategic facility layout decisions support smoother operations, better resource utilization, and cost savings, ultimately driving overall process improvement. One of the biggest takeaways for me is how easy it is to overlook facility layouts. I mean, you can't really just stick a machine anywhere. You got to really think about what's going to happen if you place it in a specific spot. It might end up ruining the whole process. I realize companies are too busy seeing this as something of a cost rather than an investment. And I think companies should change their view on that. They should see efficient layout planning more of an investment because it's going to lead to a safer and more productive process that'll last longer instead of creating a future problem. And another thought I have is future-proofing. I mean, no layout is destined to last forever. And because no layout is perfect forever, there should be some flexibility there and it should be prioritized. And lastly, what really stood out to me is the idea of using tools such as stream mapping and simple simulations to test these layouts before committing to changes. It's a reminder that sometimes small adjustments can have huge benefits.